CMF Ethos. You will agree that consumers are exercising CMF filters while making purchasing decisions. Consumers also desire products that are an extension of their personality. CMF designers create product variants with emotive narratives in order to cater to the diverse consumer styles. CMF is therefore an instrumental visual differentiator as it builds variance alongside aspiration and price walk. CMF design is strategic, relative, and context-driven. It is a skin-deep ethos which cannot be democratized across the product range. Let us take a visual overview of the industry's CMF design process. CMF at Sankul. We at Sankul believe that the difference between good and great design is often the thoughtful touch of CMF. Irrespective of the product scale, from a car to a kitchen knife, CMF design is a potential tool for us which brings forth character design and effective product differentiation. Every product has a soul of its own, and our designers bring this forth vibrant and alive. Let us explore how we critically approach the CMF space, study the context, tap behavior and nuances, and distill emotive keywords that inspire CMF narratives. Say, we are exploring the orange color spectrum for a product. Are we looking at an orange with a utilitarian character, or the one which radiates flamboyance, or the young playful notes of pastel oranges? How do these oranges appear in nature, and how do they look in the man-made world? How are they paired up with the neighboring materials? What are their proportions, look, and feel like? What is their usage and context? What key emotive attributes do they radiate? On similar lines, we have the grey color story here too. You will agree that this approach clearly brings objectivity and rationale while designing colors, materials, finish, and grains for a product. Our approach to product CMF narratives. Say we are building CMF variants for a new gear knob. The gear knob form is inspired by a handshake that brings a seamless man-machine interaction. Through CMF, we have to bring emotive character and meaning to the gear knob. Conducting consumer interactions, both verbal and visual, we distilled that the target user group had 5 distinct character directions, namely active, tough, urban, regal, and elegance. Each character gave us emotive keywords and material cues for our mood board. We now set out playing with the gear knob part splits, applying CMF elements and details inspired by the mood boards. We tried various material proportions, compositions, and then arrived at a design which resonated best with each mood board. This process gave us distinct product variants for the gear knob.